Hello, I'm Desmond O'Neill and welcome to my channel. Come join me on my earn an income online journey and let's elevate ourselves together.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Hi and good day everyone, my name is Desmond O'Neill and I am so glad that you have decided to join my YouTube channel and join me on this journey as I talk about my blogging journey actually. Alright, my name is, as I said, Desmond O'Neill. I am from the island of Trinidad and Tobago and I am a photographer. I also play music. I'm a musician. I play the bass guitar and the drums, and I also do a lot of writing. So as I am a writer, I say, well, let me take my chances and do some blogging as well. Alright, so I have started a blog post and it only started just about last week. Yeah, I am totally brand new. And so if you just started a blog as well, maybe the information that I'm going to share with you is going to help as well. Alright, so for my blogging platform, I have used Blogger. I decided to use Blogger because number one, it's free, and who doesn't like something that is free? Number two, it is indigenous to the Google platform. So Google, of course, is going to push their products and push this platform as well. Alright, and so I don't have to worry about SEO and all of those different things. All I have to concentrate on is writing good content. Alright, so with this blog, I intend to, of course, use it as a side hustle, and because I like writing, there is not a huge sort of, what's the word I'm looking for here, a sort of reason for me to, just give up or anything like that. I just love to write. Alright, so the other thing is I intend for this blog to make some money to me on the sideline. And how do I intend to do that with my writing? Well, first of all, I search the web for good content, all right, and something that I am interested in. And once it's something that I interested in, I put pen to paper and I write about it. The other thing is I am also joined to a lot of affiliate programs. So with affiliate programs, what I do is that within the blog, I link the affiliate programs that is specific to the blog. So for instance, one of the programs that I am in is Amazon. And Amazon is a huge platform. So if I am talking about cameras, all right, well then I am just going to link a couple cameras that I find are good cameras to work with, and then when persons go to the link in which is linked to Amazon and they purchase the camera, then of course I get a small commission. So if you are new to blogging and you want to know, well, how do I make money with this, then affiliate marketing is an excellent way that you can do it as well. The other thing that you may also want to consider is that once your following has grown, because as I said, I only started last week, so number one, I don't have any followings at all. So if you want to follow my blog and see what it's all about, the link is going to be in the description. All right. The other thing is, once you have a huge following, then Google will automatically start posting ads on your blog. And once they post ads on your blog, basically they are going to be paying you for ad revenue because of the amount of traffic that is going through your blog. So it's going to be a process. It doesn't happen immediately. Rome wasn't built in a day, and it would be kind of weird for us to just think that automatically we are just going to be making thousands and thousands of dollars, no matter what they tell you on YouTube, no matter what they tell you on the internet. Writing a blog, you would not make thousands upon thousands of dollars immediately upon starting. It's a process. People need to get to know you. They have got to respect your writing and respect your what you bring to the table. And then if it is anything like that, then they're going to start joining and adding themselves to your blog post. They're going to be excited whenever you bring out something that is new. I'm also going to be doing some reviews as well. So as a photographer, I'm going to be reviewing programs. I'm going to be reviewing cameras. I'm going to be reviewing, things that I have done, how I find what other people have done, and if I find it isn't doing so good. I'm also going to be reviewing my e-commerce platform as a Trinidadian, right? Because I am not American, I am not Canadian, I'm not in the EU or any place like that. And so because of that, there's some things that come innate with being outside of those general countries. There are some things, obstacles that you are faced with, like for instance the affiliate programs that you get into, how do you get paid, and all of that. So these are some things that I'm going to be covering over a while, and I'm going to be sharing those things in my blog post. All right. As I said, my blog is only active for a week, and I have to keep on going. I can't stop for any particular reason, and give up before making any significant monies and that kind of thing. All right. So if you are here again, and I'm so glad that you have decided to join in. I am glad that you are with me on this journey. So this is as honest as it gets. And for those that are now starting out, then why not join with me? Come along. Leave your name. Tell me where you're from. What's your experience as a new blogger as well? Are you gaining any traction or anything like that? All right. And what are you using to drive traffic to your blog site? All of these things I'm going to be sharing later on. So hope you're with me with this journey, and that's it for now. Have a good day, everyone. Peace out.